Where's it go? Where do I go?
Straight ahead, stay on 101 South. Hello, hello, hello.
All the way?
Yeah, they're both awake. Hello.
All the way? All the way?
All the way, yes. They said stay on 101 South. Hello, hello, hello. This is it, the day. So, I'm so gladly to announce to everybody that this is the day that we're gonna meet the CEO of a pharmacy. Could you imagine? I don't have to work for 10 years. Most of the company, you have to be the top notcher of the company before you met them. So that's a pharmacy. They giving us every single beauty influencer to meet them. So, see? Most of the company that I know that you have to be popular on the company before you have a chance to talk to them, to meet them in person. So that's why I'm so really glad that I'm one of the beauty influencer. I know it's just a short time, or I'm less than a year here, but I don't know. I'm just excited. I'm just so excited to meet the CEO. I can't say anything. My husband is here, so that's fine. So thanks to my very supportive husband. So people asking me why is my husband is so supportive to me to go, knowing when you have to, you know, you have to drive 9 months. Look at me, how I put my lipstick now. So thank you, Mariam, for guiding me. You're my best tutor ever. Tutor. So people asking me how could my husband be so supportive to me, knowing that thank you, knowing that sakit ng mata ko. So this is how I put makeup. So knowing that I'm just brand new in this business, so people saying if your wife is happy, life is beautiful. So he knows that I'm so happy for what I'm doing. I'm so happy to this pharmacy. That's why he support me all the way. So we can say that why we have to book a hotel if we can drive back and forth, because he knows that I'm happy for what I'm doing. He told me that I am he told me that I deserve to meet and not getting looks haggard when I'm meeting some of the beauty influencers of a pharmacy. So this is the one of the our spice in this relationship. Since I joined pharmacy, since I'm getting so relaxed and enjoying what I am doing, no fighting, right, honey? He told me that I really changed that way back. So I'm gonna telling you, so why, how could your husband gonna love you more? Or you're gonna put spice on your relationship? Husband and wife always have a fight, especially sometimes if you're a home-based mother, home-based wife, home-based, or your stay-home mom. So because there's a lot of yes, thank you, Marianne. So there's a lot of, you're gonna feel that you're unvalued, you're not doing anything good, so you have a lot of fight. I've been there, so I'm encouraging everyone to find something that occupy your time. In the same time you're earning money, in the same time you're happy. So I'm telling you, in this business there is no pressure, there's no stress. So look at me now. This is how pharmacy changed my life. Why pharmacy? Why pharmacy? Look at my husband who's driving me so quiet. He's sitting. See, that's how. If you're happy for what you're doing, if you are happy what you're doing, believe me, your life gonna change. Your life gonna change. Your even the relationship to your husband gonna change at all. So that's what I'm just telling you. Ladies. So you have to choose something that's make you less the struggling, less the pressure, less the stress. So because if you're happy, believe me, the whole house gonna be happy too. So show it, everything you can show up, how happy you are, how confident you are. So that's why I want to share it to you, ladies and gentlemen, how I am excited to be part of this business. Not just only for the commission, not just only for the money, for the friendship that I built to all of my beauty influencer that I even have a friends talking with, knowing I didn't met them yet. So there is no pressure, there's no competition in this group. If you're looking for a good group, there's no inggit-inggit, there is no competitor to each other, but we trying each one. I trying to message everyone every single day to find out how they's doing. So I have a bunch of beauty influencers. So luckily, Marianne is by my side to guiding me all the way. So that's what I'm telling you. If you're looking for a good team now, there's no jealousy or envious, but they try with both of us. Where everyone's trying to help each other to build our own empire. We are been looking. See, that's how we just talking. That's why we have talking. There's not only a friend. That's not only being a teammate. We build a friendship. We build a friendship. That's a really friendship. That's there no plastikan. We're trying our best to be nice to each other. We don't have to talk each other back. I talking them to Marianne how we build them. So this is the team that you've been looking for. So if you're happy, if you surround yourself with the good people, you become one. But if you're surrounding yourself with those people who only know is to envy on your success, you become worse. So try our team. You're not gonna regret it. And also, I would like to shout out first to welcoming Samantha to the team again. So she come back to our team. And also, I have a brand new beauty influencer, Jocelyn. So welcome to Filipina Beauty team. So I'm so glad you joined. I'm so glad. Oh yeah, thank you, Dee. So I'm so glad for trusting me. I'm so glad that you stepping. Just give me a few minutes, give few hours. When I come back to you later, I gonna tell you anything that you need to know. Yes, Ate Buena. It's a pharmacy road, so there's a lot of beauty influencers. We gonna meet them, but I'm one of the lucky person that I have opportunity to meet the CEO personally. So I'm so happy, and also I would like to. Oh my God, I'm praying that I see the top notcher of Pharmacy USA, Miss Christina Boss Hernandez. So that's why, like you see, being in this business, see, that's so everything. So every morning that I woke up in the morning, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to knowing that I'm growing. I knowing that I growing, and being excited for what I am doing is priceless. This is priceless. You want more, honey? Tinuturuan ako na sa ako. See? Oh my, yes, of course, I have a portable charger. So I don't have to make it long because I have to do the live later. By the way, to all of the beautiful ladies who asking me to make a kiss and a hug to Sinan, you're the 22. There's a 22 girls that asking me a favor. They asking me to at least hug Sinan. Oh my God, the CEO. Luckily, my husband is not around. So for the 21 girls that asking me, especially Marianne, I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, that's true. Oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait for more. I know this is the start. I know this is just the start. This is just the start to see the big picture in doing this here in pharmacy. Beso lang ba? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you again. Have a good day. I am ready to go to meet the CEO. Ay, hindi halatang nag-ready ako, no? Oh, ikaw ang una-una nagsabing pahag and kiss kay Sinan. So, ikaw una ko minention. Okay, boss. Bye-bye. See you later again, ladies. Magla-live ako doon sa sa conference. So, trying, sabi na medyo maingay daw doon po, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. Yakap mo more, huwag ka maingay. Bye-bye!